Is your app's not updating on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to poor internet connection, syncing issues, or software glitches. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the app's not updating issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, if you have a stable internet connection, turn on and off airplane mode. After that, try to follow my advanced solutions. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General. Check Available Space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Check Automatic Update Settings. Go to the Settings again. Scroll down. Tap on App Store. Scroll down again. Now toggle on Automatic Updates feature. Solution 3. Reset Sync Data. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. This can sometimes resolve syncing issues that might prevent updates. And that's it. This is how you can solve the app's not updating issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.